This is QJmotor ATR 125. This is a scooter, a low budget scooter that belongs to the family of adventure scooter. This is a scooter that is existing also in a normal version, I mean with aluminum wheels, and it's a scooter that it's alive enough as an engine and as a design that I consider it as a very beautiful motorcycle. So let's speak about this scooter now. What we got in this bike, everything that you see, it's standard. So that means that this top box is standard. It's got enough space for a helmet and more things inside. It's got those that you can hold something on it. You got handles for the second rider. You got space down of the saddle that is open with a button from here. That is got enough space for one helmet and maybe few things inside. The fuel cap is here. It's also opening from here. And we got two glove box. One from here that is got the USB connection, I mean the charging and etc. We got also another glove box here for coins, for glass, for gloves and things like this. We got a bar that is like any other motorcycle, it's not a typical scooter bar, I mean. You got a windscreen that is moving up and down from here. You got a small TFT screen that is connected with a device. And now I have to and what else we got? We got a single stand, we got a double stand, and we got a lovely and a beautiful motorcycle that I will go now on it. Step through frame, step through, and let's see now with Georgia. We got metal footrest for Georgia. Georgia, please.
Step through.
Yeah. How are you feeling, Georgia?
Very nice. Nice position on the legs. Nice handles. Thick enough seat. Saddle. Excellent.
Front of me I got a TFT screen that is got a basic things. You control it by your hand from here. It's got a RPM counter, kilometer counter, fuel counter, thermocracy, many kilometer counters, etc. Volt, temperature, liters per kilometer. Too many information. It's a small one, but it's got this sound maker, so it's always keep in a condition that you can see it. And my legs are in the right angle. I feel comfortable and I consider it that it's a nice position for the rider of this scooter.
I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I am okay protected, and let's go. We are moving, we change directions as we do inside the city. We do it really very easy, and the brakes of that bike are fine. The acceleration now, the power of the 125 cubics is not bad at all for the category.
Okay. brakes, suspension and engine. We start with brakes. Front we got a 2-piston caliber brake and we got a tubeless sprocket, amazing beautiful wheel, I like it a lot, and we got an upside down fork that looks that is coming up here but is not. It's a typical fork for a scooter. Back we got strong adjuster that looks nice and they are nice, and we got also a wave style disc brake. Do we have final, of course we got ABS, the traction control and etc. Do we have brakes with this bike? We feel safe. Yes, we feel safe 1000%. Comfortable and nice. Do we have suspensions? For the purpose of this bike, nice and easy. And now we are going to the most important part, the engine. We got an engine that is existing to almost not almost, also is existing to MiTX scooter of QJ, that is a hybrid. What that means? That is a start-stop and the generator gives a bit of power than you need it. So you got 15 horses, that it's quite enough for the 125 cubics and a bit of push from the generator. It's an economical engine, it's a nice engine, we know it. It's a water cool, it's 4-stroke, and I consider that the power of this bike for 125 cubics, it's fine, and I like it. Also economical. Quality, saddle, nice, good material, good made, plastics. Fit nice, soft enough, the paint it's okay. Of course we don't have corrosion nowhere, it's a brand new, for God's sake. And I consider that is a well-made bike with nice details like this one, the detail here with a shadow maker for the clock, for the tablet, I'm sorry. So, lovely. Let's see the tires if they are new. The tires are brand new, soft and nice. Finally, the result. For sure is a scooter and is not an enduro bike, but anyway passing easy from a simple dirt paths. For sure is excellent inside the town and also economical. It's a beautiful scooter, you like to ride it, you feel comfortable on it, you got enough space down of the saddle, here, 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 you feel safe on it, you don't need a lot of fuels, and you got a performance that is a little bit up from the average speed and power of this category. Also, it's a bike that you don't need a fortune to buy it. So, I like it. I like it a lot. Especially I like the look of those wheels. They are so beautiful. So, I consider that it's a nice bike for a beginner, for somebody who got no diploma for riding a bike and riding till 125 cubics with a diploma of the car. And anyway, it's a good buy even for me to moving inside the city. Georgia, what is your opinion?
I think that this kind of bike is a passepartout. You can use it and you feel safe. It's very light, you can move inside the town, it's cheap, it's economical, it's got the engine that gives you a little bit push, it's like a hybrid. And
hybrid, not like a hybrid, hybrid.
Well, yes.
Officially it's called hybrid. It's not a half electric, half auto, but it's officially called hybrid.
It has many pluses. You know, plus, and I consider it one of the best for me in this category.
So, what else remains except my poem? Ένα σκουτεράκι πήρα να πάω μια βολτίτσα και στο δρόμο μου συνάντησα μια καλή μου σίτσα. Της έκλεισα το μάτι, της σήκωσα το χέρι και μετά της κράδαξα το χοντρό μου το στυλιάρι. Μετά γίναμε φίλοι, πήγαμε μαζί για drink. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA motorcycle rock show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you. Ευτυχώς που δεν έχει πότρι.
Share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you like. Don't do it like Georgia who lives.
I'm going to leave. No, I'm
in
here.
We trust.
I will hug him.
Real life reviews. Real life reviews. Yes.
I will pet him.
Ποιος ελίτης, ποιος εφέρεις. Δίπλα στον Αλεξανδρόγιαννη δεν πιάνουν μπάζα λέμε.